Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francisca and you are watching Francisca's vlog. And I just came back from work, took shower, and then now I'm starting my vlog. Now I'm going to wash all my clothes, a bucket full of clothes, and then I'll have my dinner. Being a hotelier, my duty is quite tough. Like everybody's duty is tough, but like time and all this management, basically time management is quite difficult for me to make constant video and to be constant in YouTube. So I just thought to be constant. At least I wanted to upload video at least 2 videos in a week or 1 videos in a week. So let's get into the video. I just finished washing my clothes. I think it's raining outside. Let me just check. I don't know how I will dry my clothes. It's raining. Hey guys, I just ate my dinner and then did freshen up and all. So I will dry my hair now and then do my skincare. It's completely wet. So guys, I have done my skincare, hair dry, everything. Now I will read this one paragraph because before I sleep I always read. It's my habit for a good sleep, and I will just do my night prayer and then I will sleep. And for breakfast I'm having oats with milk and egg because I woke up quite late and I did not got time to prepare much, so I'm having this. Guys, right now I'm cleaning my room and I'm going to climb up and then clean my fan. I'm just cleaning my whole space, my side table. It's been a week that I have not cleaned my side table, so I'm just cleaning it. Hi guys. So right now I'm going to cook my dinner. For dinner I'm cooking chicken with capsicum. So I'm going to cook in a very easy way and I will have my dinner. So these all are the ingredients which I'm going to cut now. guys, I just want to end my video till here, and thank you so much for watching my video. Those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. I will be uploading some more videos with. Thank you. Bye bye.